Hello guys, welcome to ViHA4S. So in this video I am going to show you how to download Java JDK and how to set up environment variables which is required. So go to Java JDK, then it redirects to oracle.com. So here you will find different packages depending on the configuration of desktop or laptop. So I'm going for it, I'm going for Windows x64 based on my laptop's configuration. So click on JDK and it redirects to Oracle credentials site. Just click on license agreement and click on download JDK version. It redirects to Oracle login screen. If you already have credentials, you please provide Oracle credentials or click on setup and give all those details to download Java JDK. It takes a couple of seconds to open the screen. Yeah, I think some network issue. So here you can see the login screen. If you already have credentials, provide them or else click on create account. It will redirect to a sign up screen. So give all these credentials, and currently I'm not showing you all this how to give. You can give your own details and you can click on download. So as of now I already downloaded it. As of now I already downloaded Java JDK and I'm going to show you the location for environment variables. So this is the location I have installed Java. So I went inside bin, then I'm copying all these locations. First you need to see JDK. Inside JDK again there will be one JDK folder inside which you can find bin folder. So all this path you have to copy and you have to go to properties for computer. So right click on computer, go to properties. Here you can see remote settings. After you can see advanced system settings and click on environment variables. Here for path variable name, click on edit, append semicolon if it's not there. As you can see the semicolon, I'm not appending one more time. So which you copied just paste the copied folder here and again append semicolon for future use. So click on OK and here OK and one more time OK, so that your environment variable got set. So now you can download and install Eclipse and you can make use of it. Without Java JDK it will not work. I hope it helped you to set up environment variables. See you on my next video.